Hello again, guys. Let's have a look at another equation of a straight line, y equals to mx plus c type question. So it says find an equation of the line that passes through C, this point here, and is perpendicular to AB. So already we've got another perpendicular question. What we want to work out really is not necessarily the equation of AB, but I would like to work out at least the gradient of AB, so I can find out the equation as the gradient of the line that's perpendicular to AB. Right, I think I said that right. Okay, so we've got AB here, and I can probably work out the gradient just by inspection, really. So I've already, ooh, magic. I've already got triangle here. So I can tell that the distance between these 2 points, this point is 0 here, this point is 4. So that's a 4, the change in y is 4. And the distance between this point and this point is 2 units. So that's 2. So that was nice. That is a nice pen. All right. So sorry. We want the gradient of AB. We want the change in y. So how many you're going up, which is 4, over the change in x, which is how many you're going across, and that's 2. So the gradient of AB is 2. Nice. Now we want the equation of the line perpendicular to AB. So the gradient of AB is 2. The gradient of the line perpendicular to it is the negative reciprocal. So from 2, we want to change the sign because 2 is a plus. The gradient of the perpendicular is going to be a minus. And if we see this one as 2 over 1, and we flip it to work out the gradient of the perpendicular, if we flip it, we get 1 over 2. So this is the m that interests me, okay? So the gradient of the perpendicular. Ooh, heck, what have I done? Okay, so, right. Let's grab our y equals mx plus c again. For the x. Okay, so we know that we need the m and the c, right? And we don't have the c at the moment. Let's see if we've got enough stuff to work it out. So, do I have the y? Yes, because I know this perpendicular goes through c. So I've got the y, which is minus 1. Do I have the m? I just worked it out, is minus a half. And do I have the x? Yes, is the x coordinate of point C here. Let's tick it. And let's work out C. So instead of y, I'm going to say minus 1. Instead of m, I'm going to say minus a half. Instead of x, I'm going to say 5. And the c I'm trying to work out, so I'm not going to do anything with it. Wonderful. So if I've got 5 lots of minus a half, that's going to give me minus 5 over 2, which is the same as saying minus 2.5. So I'm going to add 2.5 to both sides, just to get rid of that, get the c on its own. 2.5. They cancel out. And then I've got minus 1 plus 2.5 is positive 1.5 equals to c. You could probably leave it as 1.5. I'd rather do it as a fraction. I'm going to say it as 3 over 2. Okay. So I've got my c. Nice. Let's now substitute for the final answer. Y equals to mx plus c. So we need to give them the m and the c. So my m I worked it out early on, is minus a half. And my c, I just worked it out, it's a positive 3/2. So I just stick a positive 3/2 there, and I'm done. Right, so this is another one on, what do you call it, straight line graphs. The next clip I'm going to do is to do with congruence, and proving congruence, and it's another one that there's no clip number for Hegarty, okay? So stay tuned, hopefully coming soon. See you later, bye.